It is the 17th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about global work on artificial intelligence. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Trump prépare un discours sur les élections aux États-Unis. Trump is preparing a speech on the elections in the United States. Lindy.ai change tout son trafic vers DeepSeek V4. Lindy.ai changed all its traffic to DeepSeek V4. Des joueurs du mondial visent un nouveau club cet été. Some World Cup players are aiming for a new club this summer. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Si, ici, demande, means asks for, plus de, means more of. Travail is work. Mondial means global or worldwide. Sur means on or about. L'IA is AI, so the headline says, J asks for more global work on AI. Notice, plus de travail. After, plus de. French goes straight to the noun without an extra article. Xi Jinping parle à Shanghai au Forum mondial sur l'IA. Xi Jinping speaks in Shanghai at the World AI Forum. Parle comes from parler, to speak. This is a very useful everyday French verb. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Il dit que les pays doivent travailler ensemble sur l'IA. He says that countries must work together on AI. Que is a very common connector after verbs like dit. More examples in the lesson sheet. La Chine annonce 5000 places de formation. China annonce 5000 training places. Sales is 5000. In French words, a useful big number to recognize in the news. Ces places sont pour des pays en développement. These places are for developing countries. Pays means country, and it is a key news word when people talk about the world. La Chine veut aussi travailler avec d'autres régions du monde. China also wants to work with other regions of the world. Today's word is monde. Say it with me, monde. Listen for the nasal vowel sound in the middle. Now for the pattern of the day. Parler, to speak, je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. The line uses the il parle form. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. J demande plus de travail mondial sur l'IA. Before you go, one question from today's story. Where does Xi Jinping speak? Is it A à Shanghai, en Chine, or c'est au Forum mondial? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.